How do you turn up the keyboard sound on the iPhone? And let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So, if you are using the keyboard, you might be hearing the keyboard sound. So the first prerequisite for that is that your iPhone is not in the silent mode. So if you have the mute switch on at the side, make sure you bump it up to you go to the ring mode. And if you have like newer iPhone with the action button, just go to the control center and make sure that your phone is not in the silent mode, right? So that is the first thing to make it work. Then you can go to your settings and see the sounds and haptics section where as well we have the keyboard feedback, so you can choose if the sound and haptic will be part of that. So make sure that the sound is of course enabled, but in order to make the keyboard sounds louder, to turn up the volume, well, you have to adjust the ringtone and alerts slider toward the right. It doesn't make a huge difference, but it most definitely does bump up the sound or volume of the keyboard feedback. So if you have your ringtone and alerts slide it toward the left, it means that the keyboard clicks will be quieter, whereas if you slide it to the right, it will be slightly more loud. But it's not a huge difference, and it also applies to the ringtone and alerts, right? So it's not just for the keyboard. If you slide it to the right, it means that your ringtones and incoming calls are going to be much louder than they were before. So you kind of have to find a balance between it, but that's how it works. That's how you can turn up the sound for the keyboard on iPhone. At the end of the day, you can also explore some third-party keyboard options, as this is obviously not the only thing you can use. There is like SwiftKey, Gboard from Google, and all of the other ones are available on the App Store. But yeah, these are the options you have. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up if it did, and subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.